Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 1556,000 separator. So just going to read out the spec here. Given an integer n, add a dot as the thousands separator and return it in string format. For example, 987 is below 1000, so it doesn't have anything. But 1234 has a dot here to signify it's 1234. Returned as a returned as a string. Constraints, it has to be between 0 and 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. So I'm just gonna go into my notes and create a new note and just write down some ideas. So I think I've done something similar to this before for another problem, and the way that I did it was iterating through the string backwards. And by string, I mean the number, but in a string format. So convert. I don't know if the number's already in a string format. No. So we need to convert the number to a string. Okay. We also need some sort of counter variable. Yeah, we need some sort of counter. Yeah, we need some sort of counter as well. Have a count variable. Add or say if count is divisible by 3, append or put a dot at the beginning. And then we also need to put the character at current index at the beginning. Return at beginning of output, and then we need to just return output. So let's try this. We're gonna try this. So we need a count. That's gonna be set to 0. Iterate the string backwards. So for character in n, this is going to be string n. We're going to check if count is divisible by 3. So if count going to check if it's divisible by 3. If it is divisible by 3, we are going to do output dot insert at index 0. We're going to put a dot, and then we're going to also put output dot insert at index 0. We're going to put character. Then we're going to return output. We also need to create a variable for output as well. Hit run. Invalid syntax. Is it just 1%? No, If count divided by 3 is equal to 0, Don't know why that's not right. Invalid syntax. And then what's the error that I'm getting here? String object has no attribute insert. Ah, you can only insert into lists. And then we need to do this. We need to convert it from a list of characters to a string. That should work. No. We get 7, 8, and 7.8.9. It's a bit strange. Oh, I know why. So we have to start it at 1. Oh, one of the other things I didn't say is, yeah, it needs to start at 1. Increment counter by 1 as well. Yeah. Need to increment the counter by 1. Okay, yeah. So we should also have count plus equals 1. Ah, okay. I meant to, so we need to go backwards. That's why. So for character in range length of in range. There we go. Well, we need to do create a variable, so we need to be like string string int is going to be equal to strn. So for character in range length of, or just for in range n, to going from n to or n minus 1 to -1, and we're going back -1 steps. And we need to say we're going to do, instead of character, it's going to be string underscore int at index character. Is this going to give us anything that's a bit more? No, index at range. What is out of index? Can we say, oh, when it's from n, right? No. Let's just print the character each time we're going around this loop. And let's see where it's failing. Oh, sorry, my bad. It's length of string underscore int -1. Can we see it's and count is not equal to 0? Can we say something like that? Will that work? Okay, these two got accepted. Let's hit submit and hope. Perfect. So, thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know, leave a comment. Or if you had some other solution that was a bit more efficient or different, again, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.